A very good morning, students. Come on, let us see some pictures here. Can you see properly? Children, what you can see here in the first picture? What can you see? Have a look. You can see a person is driving the car and he is blowing the horn. Okay. In the second picture, just have a look clearly. You can see a river maybe, or the sea or river, whatever it is, water bodies. And what you can see in the water body? You can see all garbage, okay, floating. It's a river only. And people are throwing something in the river. And the third one, what can you see here, children? Have a look, third picture. Yes, you can see it is very hazy. It's smoky. You can't see anything clearly, isn't it? You will say, I can't see clearly. You must have experienced such occasions where it is all smoky and you can't see anything, and it is dust, and that is smoke and dust together make smog, okay, and you can't, it is, the visibility is very poor. So children, this is all about our topic, environmental pollution. Here you can see one picture story is there, which I will just read in front of you. Yesterday, what was a bad day for me? I came back from school with a headache. This children, both of them are talking to each other. We stood in a traffic jam and everyone kept honking. Honking means blowing horn. When the noise was terrible, the smoke made it difficult to breathe. You must have also experienced sometime you are stuck in the traffic jam and there is everybody is blowing the horn, everybody wants to go, but there is no way to go and there is smoke and dust, okay? So noise pollution has risen many folds. In fact, we face many types of pollution. This is causing serious health issues in human as well as animals. Okay, pollution is a global problem. Leaders of all countries are trying to find ways to cut down the pollution. You know, many a times they have the meeting, global meeting to cut down the pollution, and it is a serious problem, serious worry for each and every country. But it is also the responsibility of each one of us to find ways to fight pollution. And if we want to live a healthy life, we must control pollution. I wonder how we can do it. So we have to control the pollutions. Children, our environment is made up of living and non-living things. You agree with it, isn't it? There are living things like animals, birds, reptiles, okay, and we have non-living things like we have water, land, air, and even plants. Okay, plants are living things. So human beings, plants, animals, air, water, land all make up the environment. So they consist of living and non-living things. Now they give us all we need to survive. Human beings, they need things from plants, from other animals, from air, from land, from water. We need things. They give us things and we survive. We have those things, we need basic needs, and that is how human beings survive. And we too also influence the environment. Even we are also influencing the land, the water, okay, the air around us. So you can understand, even the plants, we are cutting down the trees and plants, we are polluting the air by all dust and smoke, we are polluting the water by all things like oil, or maybe all the garbage is thrown in the river. In the sea you have this oil spill, and that also creates pollution in the water, and the fish in the water, they die because they cannot breathe. Okay, and the land also polluted. We throw all the garbage here and there, we cut down the trees, burn the the vegetation, and we build houses. So we are polluting, influencing the environment. Children, pollution is the harmful element in the environment. The harmful things which are in the environment like smoke, dust, noise, garbage, all are pollutants. All are called pollutants. Like smoke, you all know, dust, noise, even noise, when we make very loud noise, the level of the sound goes up very high, it creates sound or noise pollution. And garbage, throwing garbage here and there. In this way we are polluting the world. They are all called pollutants. Okay. So now we'll take up one by one different types of pollution like water, land, noise, air, and we will discuss in detail. Thank you.